In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Watch on Trello cards for updates. If you're someone who relies on Trello to manage your projects or collaborate with your team, you know how important it is to stay on top of updates. By using the Watch feature on Trello cards, you can ensure you're notified about any changes, comments, or activity related to specific tasks. Whether you're tracking progress, waiting for feedback, or just want to stay informed, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the Sign-in page where you'll need to enter your email address. If you prefer, you can also choose one of the available sign-in options like using your Google or Microsoft account. After entering your email, type in your password and click Login again to continue. Depending on your organization's security settings, you might encounter additional prompts, such as two-factor authentication. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once you're logged into Trello, locate the board that contains the work you want to track. Your boards can usually be found on the main dashboard or under the Boards tab at the top of your screen. Click on the board to open it. Now that your board is open, find the specific card you want to monitor. Cards are where all the details and discussions about a task or project are stored. Once you've located the card, click on it to open its full card view. This will expand the card, allowing you to see all of its contents and options. Next, look for the menu that includes three dots, or check for an Actions section within the card. This menu typically contains several options for managing the card. From here, find and click on the Watch option. In some cases, you may need to toggle a switch to enable it. After enabling the Watch feature, you'll want to confirm that it's active. Look for an icon of an eye or a label that says Watching somewhere on the card. This visual indicator lets you know that you're now subscribed to updates and notifications for this card. If at any point you decide you no longer want to receive updates, simply return to the same Watch option and click it again to disable the feature. The eye icon or watching label should disappear, confirming that the feature has been turned off. You can repeat this process for any additional cards you'd like to keep an eye on. Just follow the same steps to enable or disable the Watch feature for each card as needed. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can use Trello's Watch feature to stay informed and up to date on the cards that matter most to you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.